Very good. All right, it's been 2 weeks, right? I have not made any video for you guys. All right, so here we go. All right, guys. Today I'm gonna make a meat stew. How you guys like that? That's gonna be delicious, right? It's gonna be a meat stew, right? Very special dish, right? I hope you guys like it. All right. Here we have. Okay, I have 3 onions. I have 2 green pepper. I have 1 red pepper, and I have 1 bunch of scallion, and I have the whole head of garlic, and we have 2 bunch of cilantro. All right. Okay, guys. Also, I have here 2 Sazon. All right, I love it. Make the food taste delicious. And I have also 2 packets of chicken bouillon. 2 packets, right? Delicious. And also I have here pepper, black pepper. If you guys like black pepper, you guys use. If you guys doesn't like it, just don't use. And I have salt. And I have here also, this is a bay leaves. How you guys like that? And argan. All right. So now let's go to start the full preparation. All right. This delicious meat stew. All right. So cheers. All right, guys. First, I already have here my oil. I already put the oil there. All right. First, we're going to saute. We're going to saute the garlic. All right. Let's saute the garlic. Whoa! The smell is delicious. Okay, guys. Let's make this. Let's make this a little bit brown. Okay, guys, so now I think it's, see the garlic is brown, looking good. But I know, let's go to the next step. All right, next step is, I like to put my salt first. All right, this is the salt I like to use. Right, you guys can use whatever you want. Right, so I have a handful. I know the quantity I'm gonna use, so I have a handful. If I need more, of course, I'm gonna add it. All right, but right now it's just a handful of salt. All right. So now I'm gonna stir a little bit. All right. So that's it. Meat. Okay. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, that's a lot of meat. Another one. Okay. That's good. Now maybe one more. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Alright, guys. Alright. Look at that. Looks good. Okay, guys. So, next step. Alright? Next step, let's go with the onions. Okay, let's go with the onions. You guys know that, right? It's 2 onions, 3 onions here. 3 onions. Alright, it's good. Looks good. Alright. Okay. Now, I have here the green pepper. I have 2 green peppers. Alright, 2 green peppers. 2 green peppers plus 1 red. Alright, and don't add any water. Alright, you don't need to add any water. right? So after that, I have the oregano. All right, oregano, I love it. Oregano, you just put some there, that's good. And I have also the bay leaves. All right, bay leaves, you just put a few of them there, right? One more. Another. Okay. After that, have the black pepper. All right, guys. If you don't like black pepper, don't use. But I love it. Love black pepper, and that's gonna taste delicious. I love black pepper. Anyway, guys. So now I have these two. I have the scallion and I have the cilantro. But this is later, when the meat is almost ready. Okay. So as right now, and also as right now I have the Sazon. Right, I have two. So what you do is you just pour everywhere like this. Alright, I have two packages. That's good. Alright. Plus I have the two the chicken bar. Alright, that's just delicious. Make the food taste very good. Alright, looking good. Looking good, guys, but don't be scared. Don't be scared. Alright, here you go. Alright, very good. Anyway, so now you have here. Now let's see that, guys. This. Right. Okay. Now let's cook. And I'm gonna keep watching that, alright? So now very good. Hello guys, how you doing? Alright, so let's see how these meat stews come out. Whoa, smells so good, guys. Smell good. Woo, my God, looking good. Looking good. You see, guys, there? It's looking good. Looking very good. Actually, the meat is cooked. Looks good. So now, cilantro. All right. It's time for the cilantro. So the cilantro has to cook. It will take about like half an hour. And that's a scallion. Alright, this is scallion and cilantro. And to finish up, tomato sauce. Alright? So, here you go, guys. Wow. Very good. So now I'm going to stir it a bit. Let cook the vegetables for half an hour. Alright? Look, the vegetables are going to be cooked for half an hour. And after that, don't be scared. Hey guys. Alright. Very good. Alright. Let's see what's going on here. This is the finished product. Alright. One thing I want to tell you guys, when it's ready to serve, please don't forget to scoop the oil. Alright? And by the way, the meat, it's stew meat. Alright? You guys can mix also different type of meat. Alright? We'll be fine. Alright? So, anyway, this is for you guys. All right, this is the finished product. All right, guys. Enjoy. All right, God bless you. All right, but don't be scared. Don't be scared. All right, guys. You guys have a good weekend. All right.